Hey everybody, today I've got a 1998 SLK230, and on this car here I'm trying to replace the belt tensioner on it, and I already have the belt tensioner off it, but see this stud right here? And it's got a reverse Torx on it. I thought that was a bolt that unscrewed, and I was trying to get it loose and it wouldn't come loose. I'm like, hey, I'm gonna break something, I better go see what's going on. So on this vehicle here, it actually has a nut that holds that pulley on, and the reason why I didn't realize it had a nut is because it's got this plastic cover that hides it, so that stud sticks through this, making it look like a bolt. But that's how you move the tensioner to get it loose and to get the belt off. So if you have one of these, you're gonna have to take a screwdriver and stick underneath this little plastic cover to pop this out to get to the nut. Then you unscrew the nut. It's normal right-handed thread, so righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and then you can get the tensioner pulley taken off. As you can see, this one here is missing a couple balls. That's why this one was making such a bad noise. Alrighty everybody, just a real quick one here on this SLK, and this one is the supercharged one, and it looks like there's also a cover on that one too, but I'm not doing that one, I'm just doing that one. Alright everybody, thanks a lot for watching. If you subscribe, you can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my really quick automotive videos.